Hello and welcome back to the shop. After taking a 2-week hiatus, I got married and then I hiked a 100-mile trail in Utah. I am back in the shop and I'm making these adapters here. These adapters fit in my big 200-watt electric iron for my brands that I make, and this just makes everything a little bit more rigid. And I'm making some soft jaws here to drill and tap the M5 hole. So this one comes out and this one goes in, and it just stops the brand from like wobbling once it's tightened down in there. That sheet metal piece is just not cutting it. So I actually end up thread milling these holes here for the M5 screw or bolt, and what you didn't see here is the slit that I put in there. I actually cut that in there with a cold saw, and when you tighten down the bolt, it expands the OD of that adapter against the inside of the case for the branding iron, and it holds it tight. So now we were just looking at some brands. I want to talk about fixturing, and I talked about this before as to what to get for fixtures. I want to be able to load up more than one on the Toolmakers at one time to do the first side contouring and the part that makes the logo basically. So this is a crude mock-up of a Toolmaker vise. These things are only 3 inches wide from chars, and I could load up at least 4 of these on the Toolmakers and run 4 at a time, and I think that would be perfect. However, I want to be able to put these Talon grips in here from Mighty Bite, and the problem being is these Toolmaker vices are hardened to 58 to 62, and I don't have a problem milling that out. I can put that in the Fidal and mill the channel out for the Talon grip. However, the threaded hole, the 1032 hole that I have to drill and tap in there, or I would probably thread mill it, might be tough to do. So I was wondering what you guys think about that. This is a fairly cheap route I could go instead of buying a mod vise or any type of modular vise that I would have to put on a fixture plate. So let me know what you think about that. I think it's a good solution for this idea that I have, but again, I was just wondering what you guys thought. So I think that's it for now, so thanks for watching.